Merry Christmas from Mike Trull, Amsoil dealer, 146-3115. Got the family here, got Buddy the dog here. Last Christmas, you saw a video, he was just a puppy. So here he is a year later. We still got him somehow. And anyway, if you need last minute stocking stuffers for that car person who's hard to buy for, check out these Amsoil. It's not just oil and filters. There's fuel additives. There's aerosol products like degreasers and intake cleaners. There's ethanol mitigation products. There's diesel fuel additives. And just like this shirt I'm wearing, which you can't see, the Amsoil Interceptor. This is a 2-stroke oil. This works extremely well in the 2-stroke snowmobiles. And for exhaust power valves, it's going to help to keep them clean. And you can get all this stuff at my website, numberonesynthetic.com. Click the link in the first comment below and have a Merry Christmas.